nazala complice ni baby nanga moko masia yeso
Here's a quick video to show you how to make very simple fufu using Iboka. Launch your Iboka by pushing the main button. Scroll to select the recipe you want to cook. Here we're gonna cook fufu with semolina and starch, but many more recipes are available within the Iboka cookbook, like maize flour fufu, cassava flour fufu, fufu from commercial fufu powders, fresh cassava fufu, fresh yam fufu, green plantain fufu, fresh cocoyam fufu, mochi, or classic bread. But these are just examples. We're gonna go back to semolina fufu and select it. Now place the ingredients in the designated compartments inside the Iboka. Water to the left, all other ingredients to the right. When you're done, close the Iboka and confirm to start cooking. Now Iboka is gonna work while you do nothing. And here are a few celebrities that could probably use that kind of help to be once and for all done with the grinding and pounding. When it starts smelling good and you hear the beep, your fufu is ready to be served. Just take the dish out and put it on the table, and you and your family can enjoy a steamy hot fufu as an accompaniment to all your favorite meals. And of course, if you wonder what to eat with your fufu, the incorporated Iboka cookbook features dozens of delicious African recipes that you can take inspiration from. Bon appétit!